Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Judith, and today I'll be presenting a fascinating study conducted by researchers from the Universidad Nacional de Córdoba in Argentina, focusing on global warming and its specific impact on Mount Kilimanjaro, often referred to as the roof of Africa. This collaborative research explores how climate change is affecting this iconic mountain and what it means for our planet's future. The timing of this research is particularly relevant as we continue to witness unprecedented changes in our global climate systems. Looking at the introduction, we can see a striking aerial image of Mount Kilimanjaro's peak, which serves as a powerful visual representation of our changing climate. The research emphasizes how greenhouse gases are increasingly trapped in our atmosphere, leading to rising surface temperatures. What's particularly concerning is that while these gases are beneficial at natural levels, human activities have dramatically increased their concentrations to dangerous levels. The slide presents a compelling comparison of Kilimanjaro's glaciers between 1912 and 2011. This visual evidence is stark, showing massive ice loss over just a century. The northern ice field has significantly diminished, and the southern ice field is barely recognizable. This transformation isn't just about aesthetics. It represents a fundamental change in the mountain's ecosystem and its role in the regional water cycle. The study was structured around four main objectives. First, defining key terms related to climate change through image analysis. Second, evaluating the social impacts of global warming and glacier melting. Third, measuring public and scientific interest through comprehensive search engine analysis. And finally, analyzing geographic trends in climate concern across different regions. The methodology was particularly innovative, utilizing various search engines to track 5 key terms: global warming, Mount Kilimanjaro, glacier melting, sea level rise, and vector-borne diseases. The world map shown indicates search intensity by region, with darker areas representing higher search volumes. This approach allows us to understand not just the physical changes occurring, but also how different populations are engaging with these environmental challenges. The study was structured around 4 main objectives. First, defining key terms related to climate change through image analysis. Second, evaluating the social impacts of global warming and glacier melting. Third, measuring public and scientific interest through comprehensive search engine analysis. And finally, analyzing geographic trends in climate concern across different regions. The results are quite revealing and, frankly, concerning. Looking at the detailed table, we can see search volumes across different timeframes. Sea level rise and global warming generated the most searches, with 210 million and 185 million results over 5 years respectively. This indicates these issues are at the forefront of public consciousness. The pie charts demonstrate the distribution of interest across different regions, with some surprising patterns emerging. For instance, some of the most affected regions don't always show the highest search volumes, suggesting a potential disconnect between impact and awareness. The conclusions drawn from this research are sobering yet crucial for understanding our climate future. This massive ice loss has real consequences for local communities, ecosystems, and global climate patterns. The research emphasizes that this isn't just about losing a beautiful natural landmark. It has serious implications for freshwater availability, local agriculture, and regional climate stability. Finally, I'd like to acknowledge the tremendous work of the research team. This study was made possible through the collaboration of multiple departments at the Universidad Nacional de Córdoba, including the Department of Physical Chemistry and the Faculty of Chemical Sciences.